She's just cautious and very nosy.
Gotta let her smell you first, right? How old is she?
Would you believe it? She's 18 years old.
Alright, good morning guys. It's Monday. Joey's late this morning. He said he got pulled over, so we're gonna make sure we press him about that today. But I gotta load my truck, so I'll see you guys when I'm in the car. What'd you get pulled over for?
I'm going 7 over.
7 over what? What's the speed limit?
50.
50, so you're going 57 and a 50? Seems pretty bad.
It's not bad. The cop was like, "You can't be speeding. It's the road is wet."
Yeah, well, he's got a point.
It was a lady cop.
She's got a point. You're lucky she didn't write you a ticket. If I was that cop, I would have written you a ticket.
Jelly beans. Brought jelly beans in here.
Can I have jelly beans?
Yeah.
Alright, I like this trade. Jelly beans? Dude, there's like 3 jelly beans left. What the heck? There's like, look, you can't even see them. They're all in the bottom corner. I'm gonna take one because I don't want to eat all your. I took 2.
You can have some. I had a lot in the bag, so.
I took 2. No, this one's orange. And it tastes orange. White one, this gotta be pina colada. Marshmallow? There's white marshmallow? I'm not swerving anywhere. There you go. Ah, shit. I just passed where I was supposed to go, I think. No, I didn't. So I lost my drone Saturday. How? I was flying it in the middle of the woods where Joe was, and then all of a sudden, like, this big wind came. It was like, whoosh, and it took it away. I was like, well, bye.
Do you like black licorice?
I don't like licorice at all. I like the ones where they're, like, braided together. Does that make sense?
Yeah, the nasty ones, the cherry flavor.
No, those are the best ones. Yeah, you can like pull them apart. Those are my favorite.
I hate nasty ones.
I hate regular licorice. Regular licorice is just disgusting.
So you don't like Twizzlers?
No, I wouldn't say I like Twizzlers. Like the cherry one, no. Those are Twizzlers.
The rip-off one that you like peel apart?
It's not a rip-off. Those are name brand. What's your story about licorice, though?
Weird.
I don't know, you asked me if I like licorice. Obviously, you gotta have some sort of story.
Oh, it's because I was eating all these ones. Because Bryn didn't like them, so she just kept giving me all the black ones.
How were her friends?
They're pretty nice. I like them.
Were they better than your friends?
They're nicer than my friends.
Names?
Brady and Kay.
Are they girls?
One of them.
Nice. Do you feel threatened? She's got a boyfriend?
Why would I feel threatened?
Because her friend's a boy?
Yeah, the 2 are dating.
Alright, you didn't say that. How am I supposed to know?
Mom took it a lot better than I thought.
Yeah, how did she take it?
I told her, she basically got like angry, but she didn't really say like a whole lot. Mainly because if she did say anything, I was like, I'm going. I really don't care what you say about this. I'm going.
Where we are?
Cocoa.
Florida. You live in Florida. Come on, man. Do you know where you are?
Florida.
The United States of America. What do you think? This is a shithole country? What do you think about Trump saying shithole country? Do you have an opinion on it?
Not really.
Everyone's got an opinion. It's like an ass. Everyone's got an ass. Alright. So, we just finished cleaning this house. Not really clean, but we prepped it to be painted. You can see all the paint chips everywhere. But we prepped the house to be painted, cleaned the soffits on the wall. This wasn't too bad. Over here, this was pretty bad. This is pretty moldy. Cleaned all that off pretty good. Over here is pretty bad. It's still, she's got to scrape it down still. A lot of loose chips on the wall. But we got a lot of the paint off. This had almost 2 layers, you could see. This first layer. And it had like a yellow paint underneath. We got that done. I guess it's almost got 3 layers. It's got a white primer base, another orange color, and then it's got this pink. But we cleaned most of that up all the way around the house. That was our first job for this morning. It wasn't too bad though. Cleaned up really nice. And the back pool patio. All that. It's got a nice view back here. That's all taken care of. I'm gonna go help Joey clean up, and then we're out of here. We're gonna go head to our next call.
Did I tell you? I put my 2 weeks in at Publix.
Why?
What? I worked like 1 day a week.
So?
Or 2 days
So?
a week, and
You don't work
It's like-
and you don't work Fridays, so you only work 4 days a
it's
week.
like $40 from Publix.
So that's $40. $40, man. You're not rich.
And
You're not rich at all,
I
man.
said-
What do you think? What do you think? You're
I
too
made
good for
my
$40?
decision.
You think you're too good for $40?
Yeah, too good.
I think that's kind of dumb. Did you already put it in?
Yeah.
You're stupid. You're so stupid.
No.
Stupid.
Yeah. Oh, you broke it.
Yeah. Oh, what'd she break?
Oh, her little stethoscope thing.
Oh.
Hold on.
How was mom and dad's visit?
It was good.
Good. What'd you guys do?
What did we do? Isaiah and I went to Raleigh while mom and dad babysat.
What was in Raleigh?
Nah, there's nothing really.
So you guys just went away to hang out?
Yeah.
January. 2 months.
Did she just try to say A, B, C, D?
Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, T, W,
That's so cute.
X, Y, Z. Did you hear her?
I did. She
She
didn't seem
kept
like she...
getting really close to the phone. She's like, boo.
What will be my weapon of choice today? Almost fell. Almost ate shit.
Cut that out.
Why?
Here, get out of the way. That real dirty driveway here. Clean this up real nice.
Pretty happy with not much of a sidewalk on the other side.
Alright, so I'm back. We're gonna check out Joe's work. I think he did a pretty good job. Clean the entire driveway. Alright, we're just leaving our call. Joey's not excited at all. He's texting on his phone.
What are you doing, Greg?
I'm just spraying our sodium hydrochloride mix onto the house. Another awesome job. All the mold cleaned right up. She got some rust stains on the side, but she didn't want to have that done today. We gotta paint the house, so we'll take those off before we paint. But we cleaned up all the siding here, all this curbing. This side was especially dirty. We cleaned that up. Looks good. Alright, everything's wrapped up, and we're at. Joe was complaining about his socks being wet, but I think he's wearing his sister's socks.
Maybe I am. You tell him about your cool ladder?
This ladder I'm using is the coolest ladder. It actually pops up to what size you need it. If I wanted to go higher, I could bring it up higher. And if I wanted to drop it down, I can bring it down.
What do you call it?
My secret weapon.
Not long enough? Yeah. Yeah, boy. You gonna pay me anything extra if I was good at stilt walking? Why not?
I really don't care.
What if I was 8 feet tall? You'd pay me $60 an hour.
Yeah, if you're 8 feet tall.
Dang. This last part's real important, so you have to make sure it's really tight on this side, or you're gonna get bubbles going along there, and the screen won't look good.
Well done.
Woohoo, woohoo! I don't know how long that was. I think it was like 15 minutes. Good job, Greg.
Thank
Wave.
you. Alright, so I'm climbing down. I had Joey pass me the camera to show you guys the screen. Nice and tight. Came out really nice. I wish I could get a better view on it for you guys. But it came out really good. Screens like this, you want to make sure they're really tight, or what will happen is the wind will hit it and they'll lift up, and then they'll hit against this beam here, and they'll rip themselves out. So you want to make sure it's nice and tight and looks good. Very happy with it. So let's climb down from here.
She's not. She's just cautious and very nosy.
Gotta let her smell you first, right? How old is she?
Would you believe it? She's 18 years old.
Really? I was gonna ask if she was a young kitty.
No, she's just tiny. She just in her 18th year.
We are all done for today. We're headed home. That's really about it for today's vlog.